Now let me tell you something. So when a man have food, you have food and you have money. But it's when you have money, money is just money. Because if you come to buy me yam for 20 pounds and I say, I say, and you go on, I say, man, go cook your money, brother. Go put your money in a pot and see if you can cook it. Your money can't put in a pot and cook. But you see, when you have food, you're independent, man. Food is money and food. Very independent. You want one bungalow kalalo, man, you just go cut it. You want a piece of yam, you dig it fresh and eat. You want one bunch of banana, you cut half it. Probably not pay, you have half time till it ripe up. You want a piece of ginger, you go dig it. You want a piece of turmeric, you go dig it. A fresh thing, man, you're not eating nothing. And look for me, you saw me, Lily? I mean, a full on meat and chicken and them things, you know, brother. It's a juice, man. I mix anything where you want to mix up. This is all yellow yam. If you blend up that. Blend up with your dragon and your milk and whatever you want to put in it. Bad man.